Hey Bellaras, welcome back to your favorite corner for natural skincare that actually works. Can I be honest with you? There was a time my skin just looked tired. No matter what I applied, it felt dull, dry, and lifeless. I tried covering it with makeup, but I knew I needed something that would actually bring back the glow. And that's when I went back to a classic I had almost forgotten about: hibiscus, also known as the Botox plant. So today, I'm bringing back this powerful, underrated DIY. But this time, we're going all in. I'm showing you how to make a spa-worthy hibiscus face mask that brightens dull skin, smooths texture, and gives you that soft, refreshed, glowing look. All naturally. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I share simple, effective skincare recipes every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Let's glow up together. Here's what you'll need: 1 teaspoon of hibiscus powder. This is the star of the recipe. Hibiscus is packed with alpha-hydroxy acids that exfoliate dead skin gently and stimulate cell renewal. That's why it's called the natural Botox. It firms, smooths, and brightens all at once. 1 teaspoon of milk powder. Milk powder gives that radiant glow and soft, velvety texture. It's full of lactic acid, which brightens and hydrates the skin without being too harsh. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. It helps tighten your pores, smooth your texture, and give that slightly lifted, refined look. Perfect before makeup or for a no-makeup glow. 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is a favorite here on Bellara. It's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, deeply hydrating, and helps lock in all the goodness from other ingredients. And finally, rosewater, enough to make a paste. This brings everything together. Rosewater is soothing, hydrating, and helps balance your skin's pH. Plus, it just smells heavenly. Pro tip: always make sure your hibiscus powder is finely ground and pure, no fillers or artificial dyes. Start by mixing all the dry ingredients in a clean bowl: hibiscus powder, milk powder, and cornstarch. Then add the honey and slowly mix in rose water until you get a smooth, creamy paste. You want it to be thick enough to stay on your face without dripping. Before applying, make sure your face is clean and slightly damp. This helps the mask absorb better and prevents staining from colorful ingredients like hibiscus. Use your fingers or a brush to apply an even layer all over your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes while it works its magic. This is the perfect time to relax, breathe deeply, and enjoy some self-care. And Bellaras, I just want to say this: if some of these ingredients sounds like too much, that's okay. You don't need every single thing to start taking care of your skin. Even just hibiscus, honey, and yogurt can give your skin a beautiful glow. Skincare doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. What matters most is that you show up for your skin regularly with love and consistency, even if it's just once or twice a week using ingredients from your kitchen. The glow doesn't come from perfection, it comes from care. Once the mask starts to feel dry but not tight, rinse it off gently with lukewarm water using circular motions to lightly exfoliate as you go. Then pat your face dry with a soft towel, don't rub. You'll immediately notice your skin feels softer, smoother, and visibly brighter. Follow up with a simple toner like rosewater or cucumber mist and seal it in with a lightweight moisturizer or a few drops of argan oil. This mask is gentle enough to use 1 to 2 times a week, and you can store any leftovers in a clean jar in the fridge for up to 5 days. Here's the thing, Bellaras, you don't need fancy products to glow. You need ingredients that actually work and a little bit of consistency. This hibiscus mask has become one of my favorites when I need an instant pick-me-up, especially before events, photos, or just when I feel blah. Let me know in the comments, have you ever used hibiscus in your skincare? Or are you trying it for the first time? And if you're struggling with pigmentation, dryness, or dullness, I've linked a few other glow-boosting videos below, like my rice mask and the milk spotlight from the Glow Up Essentials playlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a skin refresh. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!